Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nail Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine holographic chrome and a Sharpie design. This is going to look so cool. Right, we're going to do this on a tip. You could do this on a natural nail, you could do it on an acrylic nail or a hard gel nail. Whatever system you use, you can use it on top of that. If you were going to use it on a natural nail, you'd apply base coat first. But because we're going to use a tip, all we're going to do is apply Urban Graffiti top coat. You don't need a colour under this because we just want the colour of the chrome. We don't want to alter that colour at all. If you want it dark or if you want to adjust it, we've got videos showing you how to make it a little bit different. But no, today we just want the colour as it is. So we're going to pop that in the lamp. So I'm going to use the holographic chrome. I have a big pot. You will have a little one. I have a really big one because I am greedy and use it a lot. I'm going to pop this on like here and then start to rub. Oh my God, just look at this. The more you rub it, the more of the product will stick to that top coat and it will get shinier as well. You'll reveal that rainbow effect.
What actually is it? Is it like plastic?
I don't know.
I know it's dust, but like...
It's pigment.
I know that, but what is it created from?
Crushed
rainbows.
Stones.
Crushed rainbows.
Crushed rainbow poo.
Rainbows don't poo.
I don't know. Crushed unicorn poo? I think... Is it not like made from... stones, like crystals, and I don't know. I really don't know. I totally need to Google this.
Because obviously it is a powder.
Yeah.
But to generate that colour, I suppose any powder. I just wonder what they're all
It's
made of.
it's milled. It's really milled down, so it's super fine, and that's what makes it so good. Some of the chromes are not, that are available out there aren't as fine as this. So once you've covered your nail, I'm just going to give it a little bit more. I want to make sure all those particles are basically jam-packed next to each other. That's what gives it that look. You don't want any gaps. We're going to dust off excess. That's important because we're going to top coat. So I'm going to top coat this now with the Urban Graffiti top coat. So I have my tree of many pens. And I'm going to pick my colours. This is something really quick that you can do on a client if you haven't got much time, but you want to do something that's quite wow, but doesn't take a lot of time. It doesn't take a lot of skill either. So we're going to take your colours and you're going to apply them really randomly.
Do people get a bit weirded out when you get Sharpies out to put on their nails? Some people, like new people.
New people, yeah.
Like, what are you
Because
doing?
they think, what they think, God, that looks that's going to look not very good. What is she doing to my nail? Yeah, they do. And then they go, because they love it. And then they actually say, oh I was a bit worried, but yeah, that's really cool. So this is gel residue wipe-off solution. I have put some of that into a spray bottle. This is what makes it so quick. You can spray this, it doesn't matter if it hits the skin, it's still going to be fine. It's not going to damage the skin or anything. So you're going to spray until you're happy. That looks so cool.
As soon as you spray it, the holographic just starts to come through.
Yeah. You'll see that when the gel residue wipe-off solution hits the Sharpie, it pushes it out and reveals the holographic. But it also adds colour as well, because you can see that the colours actually show through the holographic as well. That looks fabulous. I love it. Right, we're going to make sure that's completely dry, and then we will put the top coat on. We're going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat to seal this in. So this would be your accent nail. You could paint the other nails, you know, with the colours that you've used. So you could do the green or the, you know, the blue. Even black would look kind of cool as well in a set with this. And pop that in the lamp. To make this look a little bit more special, we're going to add a bit of bling. We're going to use some clear acrylic to add stones. And I'm going to use some brush on glue just to go around the very edges of those stones. And what it'll do, it'll take away any of the matte from the acrylic. And it'll also help hold the stones on. I love how the colours change, because you can see that there's green here, because it makes the holographic go green. Love, 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 love. So there you are, guys. That's how to combine. Concentrated on saying combine that much, forgot what I was going to say. So there you are, guys. That's how to combine a Sharpie design over the top of the holographic chrome. How cool is that?
Sorry, the dog just at the window.
There's a dog like that.
The little dog just went,
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All the products that I've used today will be listed below as always. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So keep watching. Bye.
Combine. To combine.
To combine.
Or if things are combined.
Aren't they combined though? Because you're doing two things
They are
together.
combined, but the way you say it, you are going to combine.
Ah.
Do you know what I mean?
I need allocution lessons. My dad wanted to take me allocution lessons when I was younger, and I found it quite offensive that he'd actually said that to me, so I told him Kind of wish I had now. Regret of life.